How to authorize others to manage your bot. First, assess the OnlyTG console. You can access it by clicking Open App in OnlyTG Echo or directly enter app.onlytg.io in your browser. Once inside, click Settings in the left menu and select Account Setting. Here you can find the authorization feature. Click the Add button to add an admin. Enter the authorized Telegram ID or username in the search box. Click Search. Then select the target user. Proceed to the next step. Select the role for the authorized user, which is currently admin only. Then select the scope of bots to authorize. You can choose all bots or only specific ones. Finally, click Add button to complete authorization. Here you can view an overview of authorizations, and you can click the buttons on the right to edit or delete them. This interface displays the authorized user's console. After authorization, click the button at the top right corner. Under the Account section, you will notice that in addition to the authorized user's own account, there is now an additional account belonging to the grantor, which you can click to switch between. After switching accounts, the authorized user will be able to manage the permitted bots, as well as view detailed data, including contacts, channels, and groups linked to these bots. Additionally, when the authorized user sends the start command to these bots on Telegram, an admin settings message will appear just as it does for the bot owner, allowing them to manage and configure the bot features.